Hello everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use the Chat Copilot to perform data operations and analysis. To launch the interface, simply click the Chat Copilot button in the ribbon, which will open the task pane. I will walk you through examples ranging from generating and enriching data to performing aggregations and analysis, all with the help of commands in the Chat Copilot. You will see how powerful and intuitive it is. Let's look at a very simple example of data generation and enrichment. The first thing we need to begin a spreadsheet task is the data. We can ask the Copilot to provide us with external data. For instance, we could ask, could you give me a table of 20 famous people worldwide? The Copilot returns a table with their names, professions, and nationalities, which we can then copy to the worksheet. We can also enrich data. Since in this conversation, the Copilot knows the table, we can simply ask, please add a column for their birth year. The Copilot then returns an enriched table with a new column. If we want to enrich a table in a new chat, we can ask, I have a table of people in A1 to D21. Please add a column for their birth year. The Copilot reads the table in A1 to D21 and performs the same enrichment. You can copy the resulting table to the worksheet and add a new column next to the original table. You may wonder how large the generated data can be. At the time this video is being recorded, the model can generate a table with 100 rows and 4 columns without any problem, and the model's capacity continues to progress. Now let's look at a simple example of data aggregation, which is a very common task in spreadsheets. Here is a table of employee IDs and names, and here is a table of employee names and teams. Now we would like to join these two tables. We can simply ask the Copilot, could you join the tables A1 to B6 and D1 to E6? The Copilot can read the two tables, understand the meanings of the data, join them, and return a complete table of employee IDs, names, and teams, which we can copy to the worksheet. The Copilot also provides a formula-based approach to accomplish this aggregation. We can follow the proposed steps to create the table. The formula-based approach is useful if the data in the original tables may change or expand. The Copilot can handle even more tables. For instance, here is an additional table of teams and departments. We can ask the Copilot, could you join the tables A1 to B6, D1 to E6, and A8 to B12? The Copilot then returns a complete table and a formula-based approach accurately. Now I would like to show a small example of data analysis. Here is a table showing sales data for a fruit shop, including order ID, type of fruit, and sales amount. First, I would like to create a new table listing each fruit along with its total sales. So I ask the Copilot, I have a table in A1 to C10. Please make a table showing each fruit and its total sales. Please provide the Excel formula to generate this table. The Copilot then returns the expected table along with the formula-based approach. We can further ask the Copilot, please add the number of orders for each fruit to the new table. The Copilot then returns the updated table with an additional column and the corresponding formula. One question you might have is how large the input data can be. As of this recording, the model can handle tables with 2,000 rows and 4 columns, and its capabilities are continuously expanding. To conclude, the Chat Copilot is an incredibly versatile tool that can handle a wide range of data tasks. Its ability makes working with spreadsheets faster, more intuitive, and even enjoyable. No matter the complexity of the task, as long as you describe it clearly, the Chat Copilot will do its best to assist you and find a suitable solution. The only real limitation is your imagination. The possibilities are nearly endless. I encourage you to try it with your spreadsheets, explore the possibilities, and see how it can transform your workflow. Happy exploring!